The AirTech Challenge 2 is a cult classic sneaker. Last year, Nike dropped a high-quality AirTech Challenge 2 in the coveted Hot Lava colorway, and for us, it was ranked Retro of the Year. Fast forward to 2025, Nike is digging deep in their archives to bring us this long-lost original colorway for the first time in 35 years. These are the Nike AirTech Challenge 2 in Racer Pink. You know we love retro Nikes over here, so these were a must cop for us. Let's go ahead and dive into the details. Starting with the tongue, it's this white tongue in this soft plush white cotton material. On the opposite side of that, you do have the Racer Pink accent color. And at the top of the tongue, you have this white nylon tongue tag with that bold Nike logo in the Racer Pink color. They come with flat white laces. And taking us down to the toe box, you do have this synthetic leather with perforated holes. Taking us to the tip of the toe, you have a synthetic leather overlay in white. That also takes you to the side of the shoe, where you have more gray and white leather underlays and overlays. And you do have that iconic lava print in the Racer Pink. Right above that, you do have these plastic eyelets in coconut milk. Taking us to the quarter panel of the shoe, you have more leather overlays and perforated holes, but you also have that bold, bright Racer Pink Nike swoosh. And they also feature gray plastic stability wings that double as eyelets. Taking us to the back of the shoe, you do have that white collar in the same material as the tongue. And underneath that on the heel cup, you have more gray and white leather overlays, and they feature an embroidered Nike Air logo in that hot Racer Pink. Taking us to the midsole, you have a combination of both rubber and polyurethane materials. The rubber part is white and it features a lateral outrigger. You also have gray and coconut milk for the rest of the midsole that houses the visible air unit. Taking us to the outsole, you have that classic AirTech Challenge 2 outsole with that Racer Pink, gray, black, and in the midfoot you have a bold Racer Pink Nike logo. The Nike AirTech Challenge 2, originally released in 1990, they were designed by legendary Tinker Hatfield and are synonymous with tennis legend Andre Agassi. We're still fresh off the excitement of last year's Hot Lava release, but we didn't forget about the Racer Pinks. This latest release was an original color from 1990, but they were exclusive to women. Now, I've never seen the original from 1990 in person, but shout out to Sneaker Preservation Society, who shared a picture of the originals. The 2025 version seems to feature a more muted light pink, whereas the original seems to have a more dark neon pink. But these are the first time they've ever been retroed and are a must-have for any fan of the AirTech Challenge 2. The Nike AirTech Challenge 2 Racer Pink dropped randomly at the top of the year for $150. They sold out pretty quickly, but they are slated for a wider release come January 16th. If you miss out online or you can't find your size in store, you can always click our StockX affiliate link in the description below. Any purchase made using that link helps support the channel so we can keep these reviews coming for you. As far as sizing is concerned, I always go true to size in the Nike AirTech Challenge 2. 9.5 fits me best. And as far as comfort goes, it is a shoe from 1990, but it is still one of my favorites. It's pretty comfortable for a retro. You can definitely feel that air unit in the back of the heel. They're pretty lightweight and the leather isn't too smothering. There is some breathability there. The AirTech Challenge 2 is something I could wear all day and I have no complaints. As far as style is concerned, we reviewed the AirTech Challenge 2 Hot Lava in 2024, and it's a unanimous crew favorite. It was our retro of the year. We're always wearing these in the studio. We're always just rocking this shoe. We love the silhouette. It's timeless. It's classic. It still looks good 35 years later. And this colorway right here just screams 1990s. It's very Bayside High, very Saved by the Bell. It's very Kelly Kapowski, and I'm just glad that they brought it back in men's sizing. This is a perfect shoe for the summertime, the spring. You could wear these with whatever. You don't have to match one for one with the Racer Pink. You could wear it with darker tones. You could wear it with jeans, shorts. These are gonna look good no matter how you style them. But how do you all feel about the Nike AirTech Challenge 2 in Racer Pink? Was this on your list to pick up for 2025? Are you excited for some of the future colorways that are set to drop? Let us know in the comments below. And by the way, Happy New Year. This is our first episode of 2025. We're trying to run up the numbers and just drop more content for you all. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can stay up to date anytime we drop a new episode. But let's go ahead and try these on. You know we had to run it back one time. Zoom Flight 95, photo blue. Teal. Shout out J Billion. Wavy Dream Team. Come on. Zoom Flight 95s with the carbon fiber. I got some wolves on my team like Isaiah Ryder, a Tom Gugliotta. I've been the man, just do your Googles on them. Other rappers frauds, they pull illusions on you. But with me it's nothing foolish, promise. Cause I just do my thing, and I keep the music honest. Trying to cool out in Peru, in a new apartment while I'm eating frutas in the morning. And the view is awesome, pull up with the slime in the newest garments. When it's all said and done, they gon' probably shoot a movie on us, me and war on drugs, cooking up something dope for you. Never push bricks, but the flow is like coke for you. Highly addictive, 9-5 flights on my Jason Kidd shit. Onyx stone in the pink.
If you enjoyed this review on the Nike Air Tech Challenge 2, make sure you check out all our other retro Nike episodes. We have a bunch for you all to binge and enjoy. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button as well so you can be notified every time we drop new episodes. And we'll catch you on the next one.